Hey Harvey Park. I am Sean Murphy. I'm a realtor with Keller Williams Realty, and this is your weekend market mosey with me. This week we have 14 active listings on the market. We have 0 homes that went under contract in the past 7 days, 4 homes sold in the past 7 days, and we have 4 homes that are that new hotness. And folks, this is the reason we do this on a Friday. I tell my clients, Thursday, Friday, you always want to be checking the market, because if you look here, all these new homes just hit the market in the past 24 hours. So I'm not going to mention this home here on Lowell because it was on the market, off the market, and it's back on the market, so it's not that new hotness. Look, there's not even snow in the picture. But we will start right here with 3286 South Wolf Street. Ow! Sorry, feeling strong this morning. This is a 4-bedroom, 3-bath, 2,266 square foot Hutchinson. This home is located, you'll see, I'll show you on the map here. It's right by, well, let's zoom out. Right by Bear Creek Park, right there. Just go near there. What else we got? So this home doesn't have all the updates, but you have, I know you'll likely have the original hardwoods below this carpet here, but it looks real clean and well maintained. Looks like an updated thermostat there, updated refrigerator. Yeah, let's jump around here. Bedrooms, downstairs bathroom. So yeah, it's sitting on a 7,130 square foot lot, and they're asking $375,000. This home is provided by Keller Williams Integrity Real Estate. Next up, we have, not that one, like I said, jumping over to 2779 South Xavier Street, also Hutchinson. This one is a 3-bedroom, 2-bath, 2,290 square foot home. I believe on this one, oh, this is the one with the Santa Fe style basement. I like this one. I like all of the homes, but I like the style of the basement on this one. Let me show you. Some RV parking, it looks like, over here on the side. There you go. Hardwoods look refinished on this model. Nice, a little kitchen nook, bench seating. Cute. Oh, and they opened up one of the bedrooms here. You see this arch. So this is 2 bedrooms connected. Looks like the front of the house. They opened up, make a larger master. And then downstairs, here's that Santa Fe decor. Some built-ins. Cool. And it's sitting on a 11,200 square foot lot, which is just over a quarter acre. This listing is provided by Remax Alliance, and they are asking $399,900. Let me show you the backyard. There you go. A little bit of a mountain view, it looks like there too. Nice. Next up, 3231 South Utica Street. It is a 5-bedroom, 3-bath, 2,581 square foot home. This one, what do we got? New flooring throughout the home. On this one, they really remodeled this nicely. Shaker cabinets, granite countertops. Opened up the kitchen there. It says in the notes that I'm seeing that the inclusion, there is a refrigerator, so even though it's not pictured here, maybe that came after the photos. I don't have, speaking of photos, unless they added them today, no, it doesn't look like it. I don't have any basement photos. but there is a basement on this home. And this is provided by Compass Realty in Denver. Asking price is $445,000, and it's sitting on a 6,460 square foot lot, kind of like the average size for Harvey Park. And they're having an open house today, so if you want to go check that out. And lastly, but not leastly, because it's most expensively, we have 3406 South Stewart Street, also going with the granite and shaker cabinets. This one is 4 bedrooms, 3 baths, and it's 2,516 square feet. I think this is a Hutchinson that they moved things around on. I might be wrong on this. I can't really see the front of the house. But yeah, it looks nice. They put a fireplace in there. I think this might have been, I don't know. I'm just speculating. The hardwoods look refinished, updated bathrooms. I mean, everything's basically been updated on this. Basement, egress windows. And this one, covered patio. I'm a sucker for a cover. Oh yeah, this one has the detached two-car garage. So I think maybe they did close in the garage there, and then they added, that's where they were getting this additional square footage, and then they had a big 2-car garage out back, and it looks pretty deep too, with a shed. And this one's provided by Keller Williams Integrity Realty, and they are asking $510,000. Folks, that is your weekly market update, but we ain't done yet because we have those sold homes. Oh, I gotta get my stuff together. This later. Whoops, this is Sean not being ready. Here we go. We got it. All right. 3195 South Raleigh Street, originally listed at $380,000, and it sold for $370,000. 1891, that was a good year. 1891 South Xavier Street, originally listed at $409,500, and it sold for $399,500. 3005 South Winona Court. That one was originally listed at $410,000, and it sold for $405,000. And lastly, but not leastly, because it sold for the most expensively, was actually, you know what? That address, 1891. That's Marley sneaking in here. I gave you guys a little bonus sold home this week. 2256 South Tennyson Street. Saw this one. I believe this was the one right across from the Harvey Park Mansion. Really nice floor plan, and they got a really nice price on this. $450,000 was the asking price, and it sold for $480,000. Wow, good job. And that is your weekly market update. A couple other things. I will be hosting this lovely house at 2799 South Raleigh Street. It's a Hutchinson. I'll be hosting this open tomorrow on Sunday from noon to 3. So if you want to come check it out, come say hi. As a reminder too, these aren't all my listing. I'm just the guy on the streets that's helping you guys stay on top of what's happening in our area. It helps you, it helps me as a realtor, and then we all win, right? But if you want to check out all the listings where I got all this information, that is my website, the link below, so you can check them all out. And then, come see me at this open house. And today, you know what I'll be doing today? I'm going to be cheering on those Ohio State Buckeyes as they take on the Wisconsin Badgers in the Big Ten championship. And tomorrow at my open house, I'm going to have some Buckeye cookies. If you haven't ever had Buckeye cookies, they are a chocolatey peanut butter delight. And I'm going to have them in celebration of our assumed victory this evening. So that's it. That's all I have. If you guys have questions, reach out. Other than that, have a great weekend. Enjoy the winter wonderland that we have. Bye.